Manufacturers today face intense pressure to deliver more than just products. They're expected to provide connected solutions that drive efficiency, reduce downtime, and improve customer satisfaction. But turning hardware into an integrated, data-driven solution is complex. It requires more than just devices. It requires control over billing, data, and compliance. Altaworx MMS delivers that control. With a single platform, manufacturers gain real-time visibility into their entire fleet of connected devices. From monitoring equipment to automating provisioning, every device becomes part of a smarter, more efficient system. This means fewer operational delays, faster deployments, and better resource planning, all critical in high-stakes manufacturing environments. You reduce downtime, improve customer experience, and protect critical data, all while controlling costs and scaling efficiently. And as your customers demand more intelligent, connected products, you gain a strategic edge, moving from just making equipment to delivering complete solutions that drive long-term growth. Because in today's manufacturing world, speed, control, and data-driven decisions are everything. Altaworx MMS. One platform, total control. Ready to transform your business from a product maker to a solution leader? Visit altaworx.com to learn more.